So this is apartment 1201, Parque Santiago 4. It's actually a 2-bedroom apartment, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Huge kitchen with 2 fridges, don't know there's 2 fridges. This is the big lounge area. This one's still one of the old-fashioned ones. It's not actually been done up, but it's very nice. Plenty of space. Get a game of football in here. And then we've got first bedroom here. First bathroom. So these are old style, but they're fine. A lot of the new ones have been done up. Second bathroom. Second bedroom. They've all got fans. Cupboard space. Let's take you onto the balcony and show you the view. This is the best bit. It's actually got a double balcony. Again, you've got fans in here. Big TV, which has all the channels. So here's the first balcony. And look at the view. Look at this. Cracker. That's the pool area, obviously, in the beach. Let's head down there shortly. And then this is the second balcony with sunbeds on it, look. Which is off the bedroom. So that's it. Apartment 1201, Parque Santiago 4. It's a beauty.